ridiculous. Is the best way to describe it. Sky is awesome. It's still very big. That's ours. Oasis, huge too, absolutely